I'm taking that off. On Infiniti QX60. So, let's get our handy dandy and prepare the operation. 2, looks to be 10 mils, behind this little cover. So, why did I put it back? Whatever, I gotta get it out. With something like this. Now, over here, let's get this guy out. With both hands, obviously. See? So on the door, you go in like this and pop this guy out. Alright? Now, let's see, another 10 mil. So let's get these guys out and let's start pulling. You know what I love the most is brand new cars. Clip, 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 clip. You grab from this guy right here, put this guy down. It's always easier with the window down. See? Overlaps. It goes over this little guy. So always remember, from the corner, this whole thing popped up, popped out, popped out. Alright? Then we grab it upward. You see? It comes up. See? Up. Now with your knee holding it, goes up. This one is stubborn. This one likes staying. This one right here, you gotta find him. This one too. See, he stayed? I don't know why. It's 100 degrees outside. So let's find him and pull these guys off. There you go. Pull, pull, and out you go. Sort of missed that. Now, let's shut her off and unplug this guy. Door panel off. Gotta get the switch out. Looks like 2 screws and these little pop pins. So let's take them out and see if that's how you get it out. Alright, unplug, unplug. Just push in, pull out. These little nubs, we want to get them out. Gotta separate them too. There's actually 6 of them. Excuse me. Get a little hook tool and pop it out. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Ta-da! Put your new one. Pretending it's the new one, because this thing's brand spanky new. At the time, anyway. Put your 2 screws back. And pretend like you were never here. You gotta put the door panel back, and I'll show you how to do that. Obviously, you gotta flip the door over. So let's do that. I'll show you how to put it back on. Come on. First things first. Clip the bottom. You're the one who did it. Clip this in. You're the one who did it. And you want to put it over. See? Over. Over. For the most part, they're all going to be outlined. Just tap, 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 tap. Here's your 2 bolts. Put them back in, and there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.